In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero. We'll start on the Xero dashboard. Before you begin, make sure the invoice you're working with is approved and that both payments have appeared in your bank feed for the correct bank account. From the dashboard, open the main menu, go to Accounting, and then choose Bank Accounts. Select the bank account that received the funds and click Reconcile to open the reconciliation screen. On the reconciliation screen, you'll see your incoming bank statement lines. Find the first payment you want to apply to the invoice. On that line, click Find and Match. A panel will open showing outstanding invoices and credits you can match to this payment. Use the search bar to enter the customer name or the invoice number and confirm the details, like the date, reference, and amount, so you're sure you've selected the correct invoice. Tick the invoice. Because this is only one of the payments, Xero will treat it as a part payment and display the amount that will remain outstanding after you reconcile this line. Review everything and then click Reconcile to apply this first payment to the invoice. Now locate the second payment in your list. Again, click Find and Match. Search for the same invoice, which will now show with the reduced balance. Select it, check that the remaining amount matches this second payment, and click Reconcile. With both payments applied, the invoice should now be fully settled. To double check, you can head to the invoicing area and open the invoice. It will show as paid, and the history will list both payment entries. If the invoice doesn't appear in Find and Match, check a few common causes. Make sure the invoice is approved and still outstanding. Confirm you're in the correct bank account and adjust the date range in the match window if the invoice is older than the default filter. Clear any search terms and try the customer name or invoice number again. If the net payments differ from the invoice because of bank fees, reconcile the payments against the invoice as usual and record the fee separately to the appropriate expense account so the totals still balance. And that's all there is to it. By using Find and Match on each payment line, you can accurately link two separate payments to a single invoice and keep your records clean and accurate in Xero.